Welcome to this meditation on finding and accessing your money wall and unleashing the abundance within and all around. Close your eyes. Turn off any distractions and take a deep breath in, focusing on the air as you inhale. And just releasing anything you're holding on to as you exhale. Another deep breath in, shoulders relaxed, jaw unclenched. And exhaling. As you exhale, allow your heart space to open and relax. Feel gratitude for this moment, grateful for the awareness to unlock and unleash the potential and opportunities around and within. Visualize in front of you mounds and mounds of money, piles of money all around you, as high and wide as you can see. There is so much money circulating in this universe. And there is so much that has your name on it. As you look out into the piles of money around you, see a specific section that has your name on it. This money is available to you now, and all you need to do is to claim it. There is so much money available to you. It's your job today to collect it, not by force, not by pushing, but by allowing and being open and available to receive the money with your name on it, because you are abundant. You are meant for financial freedom, for wealth, to create and experience all that you are meant to do. This money is moving towards you now. You do not need permission. You do not need to become someone new. Money responds to you now. Money is coming to you now. Money responds to certainty, to safety, to openness, and your nervous system is calm, open, and in alignment. What will you create? What will you provide in exchange for this money? Who will you help? And what problems will you solve? Visualize yourself solving problems, exchanging your ideas and creativity and brilliance for this money. Who will you help? How will you contribute? Visualize it now. A massive success. You are in alignment, and the money with your name on it is coming towards you now. See it, feel it, be grateful for it. How does it make you feel? What will you do? Who are you with? Where will you go? Money finds you now. The piles of money with your name on it comes towards you now. You are open and available and in alignment with the frequency of abundance and wealth and financial freedom. And you carry yourself today as so, because it is. See it now, be it now, and allow it now. Take another deep breath in, anchoring in the vision of abundance and affluence and all that you desire. And exhale. Let it all go, surrender. And as you open your eyes, go about your day. Feel good about what you're contributing and how you are collecting. Because you are one of a kind, and you are meant to collect today. And that money has your name on it. Enjoy. Have fun with it. Do good things.